Hello and welcome to Dini's Garage, and today I'm going to be unboxing this eBay Turbo Kit, and as you can see, it's supposed to make 1,000 horsepower. Just kidding, it's supposed to make around 400 or 500 horsepower. I'm not counting on that, but anyways, this is I guess you can say it's not Chinese, but it comes from a company, RDT Racing. Never heard of them. But it was $514 on eBay, so let's get into unboxing everything in here. So right here, this is the first big box, and then it has the tube for the blow-off valve, some papers. Now this is the oil drain. This is a -10 line, and it comes with all the fittings. On the same package, it comes with the boost valve with some boost hoses and some mounting hardware. Moving on, this is a very small oil feed line, but it comes with the oil restrictor, the two bowls, the gasket, and the tee, so you can tee off from the oil pressure sensor switch or an oil sandwich plate. Now moving on, we have a 5-point flange, and then we also have the flange for the turbo, the T3 turbo flange, since this is a 3 turbo. And I believe this is this is the wastegate. Very big wastegate. This already comes with a 8 psi spring in it, ready to use. I might not keep this wastegate, it's a little too big, and the way the room is looking in the engine bay, I don't believe I have that much room. So it comes with the seat, and it comes with some cross washers and the hoses and stuff so you can hook it up to. And it comes with 2 gaskets, one for the down pipe, one for the down tube and one for the wastegate to the manifold. Moving on, we have a boost gauge, and it comes with some extra tubing in there, and a whole lot of bands and lots of intercooler piping. Look at that, nice and shiny. And that is it for this box. Let's move on to something more interesting. So right here we got something that everyone should be excited about. This is the actual turbo itself. Oh my god. So right off we have another restrictor. We have 2 gaskets and the main gasket for the turbo to the manifold. And then going in here, this is the turbo itself. This is a T3 flange, and I believe, and it has a port if you want to connect your wastegate right here. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but it's a pretty heavy turbo. and also pretty small. Right here we have a blowout valve. I guess you can call this a flange because I believe this is to be welded to. The blowout valve itself, pretty nice little color, and it comes with pin, clamps, gaskets, and it also comes with this very rubbery vacuum hose. And this is the intercooler. It's a front mount intercooler with both of the side ports, or the it's a very small intercooler. Came with more intercooler piping and lots and lots of couplers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to take a look at what $500 can buy you on eBay for a turbo kit. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help a lot. And I will be installing all of this in probably less than a month or so. So if you really want to see this and the build continue on, make sure to subscribe to keep on and turn on the notifications. That way you'll always be the first one to see when a video comes out. And I will be posting every Monday for the rest of the year. So yeah, if you guys want to see more turbo action, stay tuned.